Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x and y where x plus y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to 50. Okay, now x plus y is equal to 10, it is called equation number 1, and xy is equal to 50, it is called equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 we will get x plus y is equal to 10, or taking this x to right side we will get y is equal to 10 minus x, and it is called equation number 3. Now from equation 2 we can write here xy is equal to 50. Here x is equal to, here y is equal to 10 minus x from equation 3, so we can write here x times y, that means 10 minus x is equal to 50, or x times x 10 is 10x, and x times minus x is minus x square. Taking this 50 to left side we will get negative 50 is equal to 0, or now multiplying both sides by negative 1 we will get x square minus 10x plus 50 is equal to 0. Now here we can use quadratic equations, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 10, and c is equal to 50. So we can write here x is equal to negative b, that means negative 10, so times negative 10 plus or minus square root of b square, that means negative 10 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c is 50 over 2 times a is 1, or x is equal to minus times minus is plus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square is 100 minus 4 times 1 times 50 is 200 over 2 times 1 is 2, or x is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 20 is minus 100 over 2, or x is equal to 10 plus or minus, here we can write square root of 100 times square root of negative 1 over 2, or x is equal to 10 plus or minus, we know that square root of 100 is 10, and again square root of negative 1 is I over 2, or x is equal to 10 over 2 is 5 plus or minus 10 over 2 is 5i. Now attention, here there are two values of x because we have plus or minus, so we can write here x1, we can write here x1 is equal to 5 plus 5i, and x2 is equal to 5 minus 5i. Okay, now we find out the value of y, so recall equation 3, we can write here y is equal to 10 minus x. Equation 3 we can write here y is equal to 10 minus x. Okay, now when the value of x1 is equal to 5 plus 5y, then the value of y1 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5i, or y1 is equal to 10 minus 5 minus times plus is minus 5i. So y1 is equal to 5 minus 5i, and when x2 is equal to 5 minus 5i, then the value of y2 is equal to 10 minus 5 minus 5i, or y2 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5i, or y2 is equal to 5 plus 5i. So there are two values of x and y, so we can write here x1 comma y1 is equal to 5 plus 5i and 5 minus 5i, 5 plus 5i comma 5 minus 5i, and x2 comma y2 is equal to 5 minus 5i comma 5 plus 5i. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.